AP board replacement guide. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Remove the old AP board. First, remove the top glass cover. Next, locate the auxiliary extruder at the back of the printer. Once it is unseated, adjust it gently to the side to expose the AP board fixing screws. Be mindful of any connected wires. Use an H1.5 hex key to remove the AP board cover screws. Now, remove the AP board cover. Gently pull away the front section of the upper cover to reveal the AP board. Carefully disconnect the left LED cable from its port on the board. Once the wire is clear, proceed to remove the remainder of the AP board cover entirely. With the board exposed, locate the securing screw positioned just below the USB cable. Use an H2.0 hex key to remove this screw. Then, carefully unplug all the cables to fully disconnect them from the AP board. Now, locate the display screen cable on the board. It is best to use tweezers for this step to maintain precision. Carefully unlock the locking tab, then gently disconnect the cable from its port. Now, use an H2.0 hex key to remove the 4 fixing screws holding the AP board in place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the AP board forward. You will notice the Wi-Fi antenna wire is secured with a silicone sealant. Use your tweezers to carefully peel away the silicone from the connector. Once clear, gently disconnect the antenna to fully release the AP board from the printer. Now we will install the new AP board. First, reconnect the Wi-Fi antenna by pressing the tiny connector firmly onto the board until it clicks. Align the board with the mounting holes on the printer's crossbeam. Then use your H2.0 hex key to tighten the 4 fixing screws until they are snug. Next, begin connecting the cables back onto the board. Start with the screen connector, using your tweezers to carefully slide the ribbon into the port and lock the tab into place. With the screen connected, proceed with the remaining components. Plug in the door sensor, the live view camera, and the USB interface assembly. Next, connect the front LED light cable. Ensure each of these smaller connectors is fully seated and clicked into place. Moving to the right side of the board, insert the Bambu USB-C cable. Finally, connect the 2 primary cables, the MC board power supply and the MC board communications. Use your hex key to fasten the single screw, securing the cable firmly to the board. Next, slide the AP board cover back into place along the mounting slot. Push the cover firmly until the locking tabs engage and the unit sits flush against the frame. Important, double-check that no cables are being pinched. Once the cover is fully seated, connect the left LED cable to the board. Then close the remaining cover lid. Now, move to the back of the printer. Use an H1.5 hex key to tighten the 2 cover screws. Finally, reinstall the auxiliary extruder. Slide it back onto the mounting tabs and push down until it clicks into its locked position. And proceed to place the top lid back onto the printer.